How to fix ChatGPT access denied. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix ChatGPT access denied, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, ChatGPT access denied usually happens when you're spamming your specific AI, and in order to fix this, most likely, let's say you open up Chrome browser, you go to chat.openai.com, it says access denied. The easiest way to fix this is by simply using a VPN or changing an IP address. You don't necessarily need to use a VPN. If you have a mobile data, you can use a mobile data and turn off your Wi-Fi, and then just refresh the website over here, and then this website should be good to go. Otherwise, you can simply go to your Play Store and then simply download any of the VPN application that you prefer here. Once you download a VPN application over here, you should be able to connect to that specific VPN, tap the install button, connect it, and when you come back next time, it should most likely be fixed in this case. So hopefully this video helps you solve your problem. If it doesn't work, just try to switch your browsers. If you have got any questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.